December 13th, 4:30 p.m. My man is out here. Right on time. Johnny on the spot. Just show you what he's over. Yeah, that's ice on the lake, so I guess he's not coming out of the lake. But that's him. Let me see how far I can zoom out and still see him. Yeah, no, that's him. I have a crazy ringing in my ear right now. Wonder if that's from him. Oh, yes, the adventures of me and my UFOs. Any drones yet? Any government drones yet to watch this thing? Watch. It watches me watch it, I think. That's my main man right there. Mohican. My UFO named Mohican. He's the first one out. Let me see if there's other ones around. You know, I just saw some birds fly by it and it went into invisible mode. I never thought about that. Never thought of what they do when birds come flying by. I don't think the birds would know what the fuck this thing is. Because no one else does. So, that's just the nightly UFO beginning with my man Mohican, the only star out here. See that? See the sky? People say, oh, it's a sky. No, it's a freaking light. See him go invisible like that? And pop up right over there. That's crazy. Well, I'm going to sit here and wait and see if I see some drones coming out. Have some fun. But thank you for showing up today, Mohican. Appreciate the service. Goes right when I turned it on the camera, he went invisible. You guys saw it. By the naked eye, though, he's still right there. I don't know why he went invisible on me. No, we'll wait. Alright. You see how he's different lights? That's not one light. It's like three little ones. That's as much as I could zoom in on the guy. And no, there's no other ones out. Let me zoom out. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. See him? You can barely see him up there. But he's right here. You see that? It's him zoomed in. It's him unzoomed. You see him at the top of the screen? Now he went invisible. Oh, no, there he is. Popped up over there. That's pretty cool, though, isn't it? Unzoom, you see him? See how he's just like a little speck? And that's like halfway zoomed. It's only half. And that's full zoomed in. Anyway, it's pretty interesting. We're gonna sit here and wait for some drones to show up. Thanks, Mohican, again. He just went invisible, out of invisible. So anyways, that's him zoomed in, zoomed out, zoomed in, zoomed out. And then he blends in. No, there he is. Zoomed out. See that? See him? And then I take it to full zoom. That's pretty cool. So that's good enough for the night. For the third time, I think I've said this 3 times. Thank you, Mohican, and appreciate your service. I'll see you later. See you tomorrow. First drone of the night, right there, folks. cruising across the lake. And look where he is. He's right below Mohican. You see that? I'll zoom in more on him. See the red and the white strobe lights. He just goes off into the woods. And you have Mohican right here, who he's looking at. Anyways, that was good. Any more? Oh, another one. See him? Right in the middle of the screen. Watch. There he is. They come right underneath Mohican. See, he's right there. Mohican's right there. Let me zoom in more on him. That's the drone. See how close he is to Mohican. Let me unzoom a little bit. It's a bit far off. You see how he gives the same pulsing as the other drone earlier. So this time I'm zoomed in all the way on him. If I take the zoom out, you can see it more like this. Directly underneath Mohican. UFO Mohican, meet government drone. Okay, they showed up like clockwork. 1-2 punch. One first and then the other one. And then they're gonna circle my house. Look how close he is to Mohican though, man. So you can see it's gotten darker. Yep, they go over there and they turn around. Yep, hello, Mr. Drone. I'll see you later. My nightly ritual with Mohican and these drones. Thank you for showing up on time, guys. Alright, over and out. This is a good video. This is Mohican. And the drones have passed through. 2 of them. You saw them. You saw it here first on Reality UFO TV. This is Mad Bill. Over and out.